Welcome to this review of Air China's A350 business class service from London to Beijing. We're going to get straight on with it, so here's our ride for tonight. Cabin is set out in a 1-2-1 configuration and feels quite airy because there are no central luggage bins. There was a friendly welcome and the crew really were on it from the word go. This is the first look at the seat, which was very comfortable, very soft, lots of padding. So there was a nice clear touchscreen monitor, and then beneath the counter there were two storage bins, first one having the remote, power, USB, headphones, etc. And then the second smaller one was smaller. There was a magazine holder with a safety card and an in-flight magazine. Seat controls on the panel were straightforward, a little cubby down there, and then this is the footrest. Tray table had 3 positions so you could move it while in use, and it was really sturdy. There were no air vents and the flight was quite hot. There was an adjustable armrest at the side with storage inside for the headphones. The Amenity Kit had L'Occitane branding and all the usual suspects were in there. Headphones were in this case. They were noise cancelling, but it didn't seem to work very well. They were comfortable though. No menus were handed out, but the crew came round to explain it and take orders, and then before we knew it, the safety video was playing. This is the route over Scandinavia, then Russia, then Mongolia and into China. The flight time 9.5 hours. Other amenities. Slippers were provided. There was a nice plump pillow as demonstrated here, and this is the blanket, which was reasonably thick and comfortable. So, the entertainment system, this was much better than I was expecting. The touchscreen was responsive, there were some good choices, plenty of movies and also some full TV series. The in-flight map system was very good, customizable, and if you wanted to have the map on your remote while watching a movie, that was no problem. Wi-Fi was a different story. I connected using the instructions, but once connected all I seemed to be able to access was more entertainment, so I gave up on that. I should point out there was no charge. The cabin was nice and private, and the first meal service is coming up. First was a drink and some nuts, and then the amuse-bouche was shrimp and sausage. That was followed by what looked like a Waldorf salad and a seafood platter. The main was shrimp and vegetables in a spicy sauce with steamed rice. Dessert was a fruit platter and either cheese or ice cream, which the crew did warn me was frozen solid. This is the seat in bed mode. It is fully flat and also very comfortable. The second meal service was about 2 hours before landing, and as you can see, despite it being mid-afternoon, it was breakfast. So, as we descend into Beijing Capital Airport, what are my final thoughts on this Air China flight? The seat was excellent, I loved it. The food was really good, particularly the first meal, and the entertainment system was so much better than I was expecting. But the highlight for me were the crew. They worked really hard throughout the flight, they were always coming through to see if you needed anything, and it was just such a friendly service. So based on today's flight, would I fly Air China again? Most definitely yes. On our return journey, some things were better and some things were worse, so I will post a review of that in due course. Also a surprise that we found in the Air China lounge. Also coming up will be a review of Air China's visa-free hotel layover service. So please subscribe to see those. For now though, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.